Hey, it's Sam back here. Welcome to this video. Now, this is gifbuddy. This is a new software that's coming out today. It's a bit different from the other GIF softwares you might have seen. The main difference of this one, it's not interested in helping you to create the GIFs. It's more interested in helping you to find GIFs that you can then market across social media. So it means that there's less time that you have to spend doing it. It means you don't have to create your own GIFs. You simply search through here for a topic. So it could be online marketing, it could be fitness. Let's try fitness, for example. And you can click search GIFs. You can also search via a link or add a GIF link in. So if you do, use a GIF creation software right now that you've got access to over the last month, you can actually add in links of those uploaded GIFs in here to use with gifbuddy. Click search. It's going to come up with a bunch of fitness GIFs that you can then go ahead and use. In this case, we could look at this one. We could say, well, this fits my page topic. And then we get three selections down here. We've got Facebook, we've got Twitter, we've got WordPress. We also have a link option here if we want to use this GIF somewhere else, and we've got a duplicate or copy button right here. Now the main thing about this is that when you use these GIFs, you're allowed to use these GIFs. These are GIFs that are allowed to be shared. These are GIFs that are freely available online to use, and there's no problem in using these GIFs within your marketing. So you could go ahead, you can click Facebook, and then what it's going to do is it's going to give you a bunch of different options relating to Facebook. You'll also notice down the side here there's Facebook, there's Twitter, and there's WordPress. Now when we go here it says what's on your mind. This means that you can basically update a message for Facebook. So you could say, hey, it's one of those mornings again. You can then have a link title which might be morning time, and then you might say time to go to the gym or something like that. Then you could have a link caption, and that could be get access or click here. You can add in a picture URL if you want to, or it doesn't really matter because you've already automatically added in that GIF. You could also do a text post, which is a direct text post as well, which would use that GIF URL, and you could actually update that directly to Facebook then. You can also add in a picture URL if you want to, but I'm assuming that's the same as the GIF URL. You just add this in here and you'll be able to use it. Now let's go ahead and preview this. So here it is. Hey, it's one of those mornings again. It's got our person here moving, and then it'll also have any text that we write here as well. So if we were to say, for example, go here and check out how you can get up or get yourself back in shape. And then you could click in a URL if you wanted to, say for example sambackerfitness.com, and then you could go preview, and then there you are. Now this would come up as a URL inside of Facebook. You can see how it's going to be posted. It'll show up really large within Facebook, and people will be able to like it. They'll be able to see your URL and click through, and they'll also see your GIF as it's happening. Now you can schedule the post in from there. You can go and basically set a start date. You can set an end or an interval for how fast these different GIFs will be sent out, if you have many of them being sent out. Set the hours, set the minutes. You can choose to send it now, or you can just say done, and it will be scheduled to send out at that time when you click publish post. Now obviously you'll need to log into Facebook for this to work. Log into Facebook and then click publish post, and it'll publish. You also got the ability through this software to use Twitter. Now Twitter, as you'll know, is another big social network. You can log in with Twitter here, and you'll be able to actually tweet out these GIFs through your Twitter account. Again, Twitter is an engaging network, and it's a place where a lot of people are right now. A lot of businesses are engaging on as well. So what we can do is we can use this in the same way over Twitter. So you can see here I can write a message, hey, have you seen this? And then I can put in my GIF image here, and people could click through and get access to it, and they could look through that as well. Now you'd want to add again a URL or a URL into the GIF itself if you could, because with Twitter, for example, you've only got the opportunity to show this GIF as an actual URL. You don't actually get to show it as a GIF in itself. You've then got the publish date, and you've got the ability to then tweet it out. Then you've got WordPress. Now I didn't mention this in my email, but you can actually send messages or send GIFs to your WordPress blogs through this application. So if you wanted to publish GIFs onto your WordPress posts, onto your WordPress blog, you can also do that through this software. I mean, you can do that by copying and pasting as well. So in my opinion, it's not that big a feature when you have a look at what's available out there already. You can choose the time, you can set your time zone within settings, and that's what the software will do. So really easy software to use. You're finding GIFs on on anything that is engaging for your audience, and then from there you can then use those GIFs in a number of different ways. You can copy the URL to publish within your posts. You could copy a URL and use it like I have here, and you can actually grab the URL and link it on your blogs, your websites, or anywhere else. Or you could choose to use this as a Facebook or Twitter scheduler or a WordPress scheduler and actually schedule these posts to go out as well. Cool, so that's how the software works. This is what you can expect from this software. Go down below, find out more. It's going for a low cost, and you'll be able to get access to this and start using these GIFs that the software finds to publish on Facebook, Twitter, and WordPress as well. Cool. Thanks for listening. This is Sam Baker. I'll talk to you again soon. See you later.